If you're a speaker and you want to become an effective speaker, you need to avoid overusing filler words. Now, I'm struggling with this as well because I still use some of those filler words, such as, you know, and these are the types of filler words that reduce the impact of your speech. Welcome to Speakers Are Leaders podcast with Harry Sardinas and Lily Patrascu. Discover how to become a charismatic speaker and leader so you can attract ideal clients and business collaborations.
And the most important in order for you to identify this is to listen to yourself when you're broadcasting. I notice more about the filler words than I use when I hear myself, and I'm still working on the case because I also use some, like for example, I did right, and I say right. I said that a lot. So what we had to the best way for us to work and improve our removing the filler words are listen to ourselves and be aware that we are doing it. One of the most popular filler word in the world is this one. Because of I want to say and we have a great example of Lily. She's a master in the and this because okay. So be aware of any form of you when you're speaking, because at the end of the day, to be an effective communicator, um, you the more filler words you use, the more professional your speech is, and this is how we be perceived by the audience, and only by raising awareness and you knowing that you using these filler words can help you a lot to improve them. For example, one that I use a lot is I say that a lot. Um, and when I'm speaking, when I'm broadcasting, and this is something that I have to work on. So the point of the story is, if either you're Lily with the okay, or Harry with the we all have that word. And think about it. The reason why we are using these filler words is because we are thinking what we're going to say. But how about if you think how you're going to say like this? And now I want to talk about this. And now I want to talk about that. So the best way of use the feeling words is don't say anything. Just look straight at the camera, think about what you want to say, and then speak. And yeah. Lily, you want to add something?
So the idea is to replace filler words with silence. And silence can be used really well to improve the impact of your speech. And when you have to think about something, you can simply pause. And what you'll find is that initially it will feel incredibly scary. It will feel like minutes have passed by when you were speaking. And when you are actually silent, it will feel like you had years that had happened in a second, because there is that anxiety that starts to build in a split second. But what you have to understand is that your silence adds to the conversation. It creates more impact. It makes you sound a lot more amazing. And try as much as possible to avoid filler words, such as actually, and I'm sure there are many more that we are missing right now. The point of the story is that it's better to speak in a punctuated way, the way I'm doing now, rather than to introduce instead of that. Follow us for more charismatic speaker and leader tips.